Maithili Sharan Gupt, the national poet of India. Maithili Sharan Gupt, 1886-1964, was one of the most celebrated Hindi poets of the 20th century. Known as the Rashtra Kavi or national poet, Gupt's works played a pivotal role in the promotion and evolution of modern Hindi literature. His poetry, rich in patriotism, humanism, and cultural pride, resonated deeply with the Indian populace during the struggle for independence and beyond. Early life and education. 1. Birth and family background. Maithili Sharan Gupt was born on August 3, 1886, in Chirgaon, Jhansi, in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. He hailed from a traditional, well-off family of traders. His father, Seth Ramcharan Gupta, was a wealthy businessman who encouraged his son's interest in literature. Though education. Gupt received his early education at home due to the limited availability of formal schooling in his village. His early influences included classical Sanskrit literature, which was introduced to him by his father. His fascination with literature grew, leading him to read and write prolifically in Hindi and Sanskrit. Literary career. 1. Initial works. Gupt's early poetry was influenced by the classical Sanskrit poets as well as the Bhakti poets. His first published work, Rang Mein Bhang, appeared in 1910. This was followed by Bharat Bharti, 1912, which gained him widespread recognition. The patriotic fervor and the call for national awakening in Bharat Bharti struck a chord with the Indian masses and made Gupt a household name. Though major themes, Gupt's poetry often revolved around themes of patriotism, social reform, and humanism. He delved into historical and mythological subjects, presenting them with a contemporary touch. His works emphasized moral values, cultural pride, and the importance of unity and integrity in society. Theme. Influence of Mahatma Gandhi. The philosophy and principles of Mahatma Gandhi deeply influenced Gupt. His works reflected Gandhian values of simplicity, non-violence, and self-reliance. Poems like Jayadratha Vad and Panchavati mirrored these ideals and promoted the cause of the Indian independence movement. Notable works. 1. Saket. One of Gupt's most renowned works, Saket, 1932, is an epic poem that narrates the story of Urmila, the wife of Lakshman from the Ramayana. Unlike traditional retellings, Saket focuses on Urmila's perspective, highlighting her sacrifices and virtues. The poem is celebrated for its emotional depth and lyrical beauty. Though Yashodhara. In Yashodhara, 1932, Gupt explores the life of Buddha's wife, Yashodhara, who is often overlooked in traditional Buddhist texts. The poem sympathetically portrays her loneliness and her spiritual journey, offering a nuanced view of her character. Theme. Bharat Bharti. Bharat Bharti remains one of Gupt's seminal works. It is a collection of patriotic poems that evoke a sense of national pride and urge Indians to unite for the cause of freedom. The collection became an anthem for the Indian independence movement. Awards and recognition. 1. Honours and titles. Maithili Sharan Gupt was conferred the title of Rashtra Kavi by the Indian government in recognition of his contributions to Hindi literature and his role in the freedom struggle. His works were not only literary achievements but also instruments of social and political change. Though membership in the Rajya Sabha, Gupt's influence extended beyond literature into politics. In 1952, he was nominated as a member of the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the Indian Parliament. His tenure in the Rajya Sabha allowed him to contribute to cultural and educational policies, furthering his vision for a progressive and united India. Legacy. 1. Cultural impact. Maithili Sharan Gupt's poetry has left an indelible mark on Hindi literature. His ability to weave contemporary issues with classical themes made his work timeless. He brought Hindi literature to the forefront, inspiring countless poets and writers to contribute to the language. Though influence on modern Hindi literature, Gupt's emphasis on simplicity and clarity in language made his poetry accessible to the masses. He bridged the gap between the classical and modern forms of Hindi, paving the way for future literary movements. Theme. Commemoration. In honor of his contributions, several educational institutions and cultural organizations bear his name. His birth anniversary is celebrated with literary events and readings of his works, ensuring that his legacy continues to inspire future generations. Personal life and values. 1. Family. Maithili Sharan Gupta was married to Shivkali Devi, and the couple had 2 sons and 3 daughters. Despite his literary fame, Gupta led a humble and simple life, embodying the values he espoused in his poetry. Though philosophical beliefs, Gupta's writings reflect his deep philosophical beliefs and commitment to societal reform. He believed in the power of literature to bring about positive change and remained dedicated to promoting education and cultural pride throughout his life. Maithili Sharan Gupta's life and work epitomize the spirit of a nation striving for freedom and cultural renaissance. As the Rashtra Kavi, he not only enriched Hindi literature with his profound and accessible poetry but also played a crucial role in the social and political awakening of India. His legacy as a poet, reformer, and patriot continues to inspire and resonate with readers and scholars alike, making him a towering figure in the annals of Indian literature.